All right, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back from spring break. Hope that we had a great spring break and we had a lot of rest. So let's get started back to work. Let's turn our books to page 265. Group Unstoppable, turning your books to page 265. We're going to be dealing with even and odd numbers. For number one, all we have to do is write 7 more even numbers by counting by twos. First, we have to know what our even numbers are to even get started. So I wrote the even numbers on the board. We have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are our even numbers. So let's look at number one. We have 32, 34. What is next? What comes next? So we have 32, 34, 36. So 32, 34, 36. What's next in sequence is 8. So 38. And go back to 0. So 32, 34, 36, 38. What's next? 40. So that's how you solve number one. I'm going to stop right there. So 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. And you keep going until you finish that part. Now let's look at the second part, number two. We're doing the same thing for number two. First, like I said, like we knew our even numbers, we have to identify the odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have 31, 33, 31, 33, 30. See, 5 is next. 5 is next in the sequence. It says 35, 31, 33, 35, 37. And 39. So we have 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. And what will be next? That's why I'll stop right there. You finish out the rest of that one for number two. Number three simply asks us to write the differences. So you'll start solving the problem, writing the differences for each problem. And then you will color the picture. Write differences and then color the picture. Let's flip over to the next page, page 266. So as we look at the next page, number one simply wants us to read a poem and then color the picture. So you're going to read the poem and then color the picture for number one. But let's look at number two. Number two wants us to write 171 through to up to 200 in the counting chart. It's the counting chart that you see on that page. Now, there are two things you're going to do once you finish. You're going to color the odd numbers yellow and the even numbers green. So we're going to work on the first row together. So 171, 172, what's next? 173, keep going. 174, 175, 176. So we have 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176. Let's finish that row out. 177, 178, 179, and 180. Okay? Now, let's look at the even numbers. We're going to work with that one. It says color the even numbers green. So now we're about to color the even numbers green. That's what we have here. Now you're going to do that for the whole chart, but we're going to do the first row together. This is 72, 172. That's the even number. Oh, my marker is that. So 172. I'm just going to use blue for now, but you're going to use green. 172, 174, 176, 178, and 180. Those are all even numbers that you will color green. Now for the odds, remember the odds you're doing yellow. So the even numbers are green, and then the odds are yellow.